I'm having an interesting meetup with this dude. Don't throw Dookie at me.
Hey, let's
He,
go to the
nah,
blinking green.
Dude threw Dookie at me and then fell over. I ain't never in my life seen that happen in any video game ever.
Kelvin's getting chased.
He deserves to get chased at this point. Like, I'm about sick of
I
Kelvin.
didn't do anything.
There's fish! Yeah, that's exactly right. He ain't done nothing.
Bunny! Bunny! I want to
It's
kill the bunny.
impossible, dude. I already tried.
I got a rock.
I found a pot.
What?
It looks like a pot full of meat. Oh, I broke it.
My dude is
Oh,
so tired,
Jesus.
bro.
It's like
I'm
a water
killing
slide.
this one that's on me. It's weird.
Okay. That was weird.
Why does this game actually have goofy all characters?
Family all parents.
There's two blinking things. Let's go to the closest one, though.
Money. Money. Money, 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 money.
Oh yes.
Nah. Ain't gonna happen.
It's so far away. Should we just stop?
It's not.
I'm not even making progress getting closer to it.
There we are.
I'm not.
Apparently those things are afraid of us.
I told you, bro. They're friendly. They don't know. They just throw Dookie at you and then run away. I think my dude's gonna pass out on the way up here, and then I'm gonna die because I don't have any food in my stomach.
Deer, 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 deer.
Well, I can't throw anything, so I can't kill any deer. Why can't I throw?
Deer. Deer. Deer? Oh, deer. 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 Hold still, you son of a bitch. Let's hold still. Come on.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk. No, come here, chipmunk. Yeah, I killed a chipmunk.
Oh, come on, dude!
Yeah, chipmunk.
Man,
I
you
wanna
just
eat that.
hit the deer. Or did you hit the deer?
No, I just killed
You
a
just
chipmunk.
scared off the damn deer that I was about to hit in the back of the head. Damn it. Okay.
I'm stopping this, bro. We would play this game for 2 hours or something. This game is a W. You know, that reminds me, I unlocked a Baka skin yesterday, even though I may have gotten banned, but there was a Baka skin that would literally be like whenever you attack somebody, he's like, alright. It's weird.
Man, now I lost a freaking deer.
I think the dudes are like racist. You hear them? I'm almost to the green thing, by the way.
Yeah, no, I had to turn and try to chase the darn thing.
Hey, I've been about to pass out for a while. The only downside I think I get is
I don't
that
understand. Oh, wow.
my dude blinks a lot.
Have you
now.
been sprinting all around the place?
Oh yeah, I'm about to freaking die.
That explains it.
It's in worth it because I'm right beside the green waypoint. I'm here. I made it. I made it.
What's there?
Hey, deer. Nah, bro, this deer's dead too. Come here. He just walked through a tree. He just walked through multiple trees. You can't walk through trees. These deers are goofy. Well, we made it, and let's see what's here. Is that a dead guy on a go-kart? In another cave?
Oh, Jesus, not the cave.
Come here, it's a dead guy on a go-kart.
I'm coming, I'm tired. My dude is big tired.
My dude's tired.
Ah! Freaking spider web. Ugh.
I'm eating these blueberries. I'm tearing them up.
Did you kill that deer?
No, it ran away. It ran through the trees.
Oh god dang it.
How do I fix it where I can throw stuff?
Trayson? You mind coming
Yeah.
here for a second?
Where are you at?
No, we're good.
I can't find you. Oh wait, C. I forgot there's a C on the map where you are.
You remember
Also-
that big old thing that we fought in that cave?
Yeah.
Well, it's here too.
Ooh, let me go play with him. I bet he's friendly.
It's a big old camp.
I bet he's really friendly, you know?
It's one of their camps.
They have
Yeah,
camps.
it's gotta be great.
They ain't got the IQ to run a camp.
Well, they got one right here, so.
Auschwitz. That's the kind of camp. Nah, I'm going all in. Oh, look who's back.
Yeah, he's been
Did you get
following
me fish? Get berries and give to me, slave. Oh, look who came with us to fight. 2 of them. 2 of the rodent people.
That one
Hey,
sees us,
guys.
by the way.
We can kill him. I just can't throw stuff at
Let's
him.
throw the big one. Let's try to kill the big one.
I'll rush him.
Watch out for the yellow one.
Wait, he's tied up.
Wait, what?
Wait a minute. Wait, look. Wait, look. These are friendlies. Hi. No, we're friends. We're friends. What if I put my weapon away and just hold like a duct tape? Hey, let's talk. Now, what can I hold to make her like me?
What the hell is this thing? It's like fingers.
No,
don't throw your poop at me. We're supposed to be friends.
No,
we can be friends.
No,
be my friend. No, don't attack me. We can be friends.
We
We can be friends. It's just like, get out of here.
Get her!
I was in the menu thing. I couldn't get her.
Give me
Give me that arm though. I'm hungry.
She was begging for mercy, but I
Oh,
didn't.
I
I
can't
can't
carry
give
any
any.
more arms. I've got my max inventory for arms.
I accidentally threw my spear.
I kind of have too many arms to
There we
eat.
go.
Can I eat any of them actually? Yeah.
Ooh,
You have to eat them before they go bad.
that's disgusting.
How does eating a whole arm not fill up your like hunger? Like, how hungry are we?
What are these skulls? Skin pouch collected? Oh, there's gotta be food in here.
No, I'm so angry about that girl. I was trying to be her friend, so you know, and then she's like, "No, I'm gonna throw my poop at you."
Ooh, an arrow. I can shoot a deer.
Oh yeah, can't we like kill the bad guy?
I just cut him loose.
Bro.
I'm knocked.
Is Kelvin helping
You know,
you?
No.
No! Get away from Kelvin!
Nah, kill Kelvin.
Oh wait,
I'm
that's
about
not
sick of
Kelvin. Who the hell is
Wait,
that?
I don't know, but I'm dead. Maybe he's fighting the like goofy ground people.
Maybe I shouldn't have used my hatchet. Maybe I should have.
Help!
Are you dead too?
Yeah, help.
Then I'm just gonna respawn.
Help me.
Okay, let's see what happens. Where's it gonna take me when I die? What if it spawns me all the way back at where we slept? Oh wait. I'm tied up? Nah, you can't tie me up.
Help me.
They call me the knot tire. Watch this. I'm about to get out of my tied up chains.
Help me, lad.
Where are you at?
I'm on the ground.
Wait, let me pick up my mats or whatever.
I hear footsteps.
That's me.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, he one-tapped me.
Yeah, but you killed it.
Oh, could you get me up?
Yeah.
How do you want that?
Hey, have my spear. Ow!
We
What the
just killed
fuck?
The bad guy! Ow! I'm dead. We literally just killed the bad guy. You're dead too?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta respawn. Now they're gonna have us tied up.
The fuck they will. Oh Jesus, dude, there is 4 of them. Bro.
What did we do to them, y'all? We killed the bad guy.
Make that 5.
Oh, we'll be fine.
Did they take my stuff?
It's on the ground. They don't know what any of this stuff is. As far as they don't notice us fall out of the thing.
How do we get down? Oh.
Are they fighting now?
Maybe.
No, where's my Boston Basher?
Whoa. Easy there. Easy. Where's my stuff at? Where's my stuff?
Bro! I
Seriously.
can't even block! I'm dead.
I don't see my stuff.
It has an exclamation mark above it.
Oh, it does? Oh.
Yes.
Ow! You
I got
motherfucker!
one-stepped. I can't do anything.
Oh, I got my stuff. I gotta go.
What the crud is this? I can't even cut him to death. He just insta-killed me. Oh my gosh. I can't beat him.
You guys, you said these guys are friendly.
Well, you know, the tiny ones were. In fact, they're probably watching us die over and over again right now. They're probably like, what are they doing now?
Calvin's just getting stuff over here.
Okay, I got all my stuff back.
Alright, we need to leave. Right?
I don't know.
I got one
I'm
coming
still
after me.
exhausted.
Oh god, Jesus! My spear is in him right now. Yeah, payback, bitch.
Oh wait, I picked up the spear.
Oh, big guy, big guy, big guy.
I de-equipped my spear, so I got myself killed. I clicked G to try. I tried to do something stupid, and then I killed myself basically. Here, I'm respawning. Oh, I'm gonna come back and get my revenge. Don't worry.
Whoa, jeez! You were
Whoa.
fast.
Where am I? What the crud? Chase?
Yeah,
I spawned like really high in the sky.
you seem fine to me.
On my end, no, on my end, everything's invisible. What the crud? I'm way above you right now.
On the ground for me.
Wait, now I'm on the same ground as you, but everything's invisible.
Oh, right
Bro,
in your
this
damn
is
face! Oh,
weird.
did I hit him?
Wait, I can see caves underground.
Oh god! Oh!
No, bro, I've got X-rays from Minecraft right now. I can see under the ground
I'm
and
down.
everything. I see that. And I'm dead.
Oh.
Okay, one tapping is stupid. The game should not be letting that happen.
Alright, well,
But
first
yeah,
of
I
all,
can-
we have no health.
I can see underground though. I've broken my game completely now. I don't know how to fix this though.
I
gotta
hit
be
him
honest,
right
it's
in
kinda
the
glitchy.
face with a spear. He fell
The
over.
game's just a tad
I stabbed
bit
him in the
glitchy.
gut with an axe.
Like all the textures are messed up right now. This game's kind of weird. I can see all the caves under the ground and it's all dark.
Alright, we need to leave.
Yeah, we'll just let him have his fun.
No, his spear's in his chest.
It'll
Sneak
be fine.
attack!
I'm gonna figure out what happened to my game.
Stabbed him.
I can't see anything. Here, wait. Can I leave and rejoin?
Oh boy, he's coming.
Oh wait, I can't. We have to save before we get off
Yep.
this game.
Yep.
Yep.
Where's the
Why is he faster than us? Oh, I missed. Oh, I dodged his attack. He's freaking pointing at me like he's like, yeah, you get on out of here.
All right, that's fine. Let him have his. Let him have it.
Oh crap, he's back. Stop!
Are you down?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna respawn again.
Okay.
I still don't know what's wrong with my game. It's making the game run really good because there's nothing visible. I can always unlock 144 hertz.
Oh, there is a golf cart.
The scene kind of loses its specialty whenever this happens 800 times. Because the dude is way too strong for no reason.
Oh, these guys have seen better days.
I think I'm gonna have to. We need to save our game. We need to build a tent and save our game so I
Yeah,
can close my
I'm-
game and reopen it.
I'm really hoping there's food in this cave.
I can't see anything now. It's completely black. It's completely black. No visual. I'm going to where you are. It's completely there's nothing.
I'm in the cave.
There's actually nothing visible for me to see. I won't be able to get down there. And something's chasing me. I can't see
Yeah,
it.
I'm not going up. I'm going down.
I'm kind of in a mess up right now. Like I can't do nothing when the game is completely invisible. I can see you running around underground.
Nah, it's bats. There's
That's
a
literally
light.
all I can see is you underground.
Wait a second. Dude, I found a hatch. Like metal hatch. Like
I
going
can't get down
into
that.
an abyss.
I can't do crap, bro. I'm in a
Keep going,
mess.
keep going.
No, I literally don't know
I'm,
what to
I'm
do.
starving.
I actually can't do anything. I'm stuck
Alright.
here.
Yeah, I can. Are you still at the surface?
I can't come down there. Without any visuals, I can't do anything.
Alright, I'm gonna go down here then. I gotta go somewhere. I'm food and drinking. I found like a storage room or something. Holy shit. Dude,
Yeah.
found something interesting. Oh, food. Let me eat the food. Oh,
That's what I think it is. Build shelter.
all the food. All the food. We can
How do
live
you do
here.
that? Well, I gotta like get some sleep. Oh crap! We can't be separated. Can I save my game? Game saved. Okay, I've got to close the game and reopen it.
Alright, that's fine. I'm taking all the food. Okay, never mind. There's so much blood here. Arrows. Thought you might find this interesting. We're calling it Artifact 1.
Oh, you can assign hotkeys.
Might be related to the cube you guys found.
Hey, you can assign hotkeys.
Yeah?
Let me see here. I want the sphere to be like 1.
Yeah, I told you that in the beginning.
I forgot that, bro.
Dude, there's so much food down here. Well, there was.
I'm eating those aloe veras or whatever they're called.
Are you back in my game?
Yeah, I just rejoined it.
Oh.
I just need to reload it into this for it to fix the graphics.
Now I need water. Yeah, dude.
No, I think I'm about to get off this game though for a night. That's a bunch I've already done now.
Hold on, brother. I just found something.
Here, I'm gonna save it again though. You're underground. You say?
There's
Here's
a
the opening.
Roomba down here vacuuming up the water.
I'm coming down there right now. I just made it through the wall. Here, let me get a real torch out. Okay, I'm coming down right now. Oh crap, I don't like this. Am I gonna die?
There's a key card here. I'm assuming this is going to be for a later date.
Hey, watch out. Oh, are these the hungry people? Can we eat their arms? You can wiggle them!
Yeah, dude, look, there's a Roomba.
What? Actually?
Yeah.
Bro.
Oh!
I like the Roomba. I want to go in the ice.
Yeah, dude, there's a key card.
This game just got weird. Roblox all game.
Yeah, you need to look up the story for the forest, because this is the sequel. Alright, I guess we're gonna have to come back to this. Where did you save the game at? Because I'll do the same.
Oh, outside the cave.
Alright,
Can we
well,
leave
Yeah,
somehow?
we gotta go back up. Alright, we gotta remember we need a key card for this room.
Basically, I told whatever his name is to build a fort out there, and then I just saved it there, and that worked perfectly
So,
for
yeah,
me.
that's handy.
But I mean, I don't think he's smart enough to come down here, so yeah. Oh, that was
Are they
easy.
still out there?
We're about to find out. I'm squeezing my way through. Pretty seamless loads. There's like a frame of waiting, but it's pretty quick.
Alright.
Nice W game right here. Save, sleep, so we can wake up with at least some slept, but completely starving hungry. Okay, let's see how hungry I am. I'm going to die.
I'm just thirsty.
I don't
You
have
are
any
a-
food.
Different human, by the way.
Well, average. I'm starving. I literally don't have any